In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the SAT score sending process on the College Board website effectively. This guide will help you send only your latest SAT score to universities, a great way to highlight your most recent academic achievements without showing any older results you may consider not your best. First, begin by logging into your College Board account. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the My SAT section found on the site's homepage. Under this menu, look for the Send Scores option. This is your gateway to specifying which scores educational institutions receive as part of your application portfolio. After you've accessed the Sending Scores section, your next task is to choose the universities to which you wish to send your SAT scores. This is a crucial step because only selected institutions will receive your scores. Now observe the Score Choice tab, a vital feature on this page. Clicking on Score Choice allows you to select your latest test date, ensuring that only this specific test's scores are sent to the selected universities, keeping the rest of your test scores hidden unless you decide otherwise. Before moving forward, it's essential to thoroughly review your selected options. Verify that you've chosen the correct